Good morning, children. I welcome you all to your EVS class. I hope you all are fine. And let's start our class. Children, today we are going to discuss about the topic water cycle. We know that there are many sources of water. We get water from rain, we get water from water bodies, we get water from glaciers. But among these sources of water, rainwater is the main source of water on the planet Earth. But where does this water come from? Water in the oceans, seas, and other water bodies get heated by the heat of the sun. And when the water in the water bodies gets heated, it forms the water vapors. These water vapors then rise or go up in the sky where they meet with the cool air. When these hot water vapors meet with the cool air, they form tiny drops of water. When more of the tiny drops join with each other, they form the clouds. And as this process keeps going on, more of the tiny drops keep on evaporating and meeting with the cool air and forming the clouds. When these clouds become heavy with more of the tiny drops, they fall down or they pour down in the form of rain. Then again this rainwater flows back into the oceans, into the seas, into the rivers, lakes, ponds and various other water bodies. The rainwater, the clouds may pour down in the form of rain or sometimes they pour down in the form of snow also. It snows where in the areas where the temperature is very low. After flowing back into the rivers, the rainwater, the water in the water bodies again gets evaporated by the heat of the sun and again meets with the cool air to form the tiny drops of water. Again these tiny drops of water form clouds. Again these clouds become heavy with the tiny drops of water. Again they pour down and they come down in the form of rain or snow. So this cycle of water keeps going on in the nature, and this cycle of water is called as the water cycle.